Looks like you lost another one.
What up, what up, what up? It's Pretty Ash and I'm back with another video. And today we have king crab, snow crab, some shrimp, corn on the cob, potatoes. And I got 2 eggs. Okay. So, and I am drinking Blue Hawaiian frozen mixed too. Y'all, let's get, yes. Okay. I just put it in here because I ain't have no straw. So, that tastes good. Bowl. No, I don't really have a topic. I don't have a topic today. I say that every video because I really don't. I just be wanting to eat for real, for real. Feel me? I just want to eat. I'm gonna make a thumbnail. Can't forget about the thumbnail. Ooh, these hurt. I break this. And my birthday just passed, you guys. I enjoyed myself. Can't wait to next week though. I probably look crazy, but what's up? It just tastes so good. But you should see that now I'm out to eat. Now everybody came back to my house. like a little kickback or whatever. It was fun. My best friend made a big ass thing of jungle juice. There's still some back there. You see that container right there? Still jungle juice. My mother took like 2 bottles home and it's still some left. And that jungle juice was good, okay, when I tell you. Okay, when I tell you. Woo. Let's go, baby. See all of that? Yes, sir. Baby. That is just like everything. Seriously. That's like so freaking good. Ooh. And hold up, because I ain't ready. And my man called me on my birthday, okay? Definitely FaceTime me. I answered the phone. He looked like he was coming out the shower or whatever. He's about to get dressed. Ew. He looks so fine, like, woo. I'm so happy I wasn't looking a mess, cause baby. Excuse me. Y'all follow my Instagram. Y'all wanna know who I was talking about, so you have to follow me. But it was Sue Surf, you guys. Yes. Okay, that was my second encounter. The first encounter, okay, it's turned to a story time. First time I met Sue Surf. So, I'm from North New Jersey, which is he is too. Y'all should know. And my mother goes to this store on South Orange Ave to get her dollar Dutchess and to play her lottery or whatever. So I was in a car, and then one day, someone just told me to go in the store with her. So I go in. He comes inside the store and goes back out. He was only in there for like a few minutes. I think he was trying to get somebody's attention to come outside. And I look at, I'm like, is that Sue? Like, is that Sue? So I go outside and I'm looking. And I'm like, and he's standing in front of the store. And he just, as soon as I said, Phil, he turned around, he started smiling. I'm like, so was that you? He like, yeah. But mind you, prior then, he was on live one day. And I was on live, and I was on his live. And then I was like, oh, blah, 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 blah. I want to enter in the studio. And then he was like, what studio? And I was like, the studio that you go to. And he was like, oh, why? Just DM me, wah. So I told him, like, I DM'd you. You ain't never said nothing back. Wah. He like, all right, what's your Instagram? He was like, all right, what's your Instagram? So I gave him my Instagram. And then, like a few hours later, he had texted me on Instagram. He gave me his number. He was going to set up the session or whatever. Well, not the session, but he wanted me to, like, clean up around the studio or whatever. You know, my anxiety. So I fucked up that opportunity. Ashley. But that was my anxiety taking a hold of me. But anyway, here we are again. And he's on my phone, like, on my phone. Like, on my phone. And he's just like, I just want to wish you a happy birthday, Mom. And I'm just like, and my sister loud as fuck, like, thank you, Sting. Wah. And I'm just like, girl, like, back up. He called for me, back up. But anyway, fucks with everybody, you feel me? Fucks with him, fucks with my sister, my best friend, everybody who did that, you feel me? Thank you. But, yes, I feel like we will cross paths again. Hopefully next time it will be professional-wise. And, yeah. Like, that was the highlight of my night. It definitely was. Woo. Mm. Yeah. Have you ever been not messing with somebody, but as soon as you're horny, like in the horny, like as soon as you get horny, right? Oh, hold up. They become on your mind, and that's when you text them. But then after that horny period is over, it's just like, I'm not bothered. Like, I only text you because you only text somebody when you're horny, and then afterwards you just like, I don't want to see you. Like, I don't want you in my space in this time, like in this moment. Baby, ooh, it's hot. I'm hot. I ain't turning my fan. But can y'all see me for real? Let me take off these glasses. You know I can't see myself. But yeah. I've been feeling you all along, while boy, I must confess. Let's get married. Meet me at the altar in your white dress. We ain't no younger, might as well do it. I've been feeling you all the while, boy, I must confess. Let's get married. Oh, excuse me. I don't know why that song in my head. Y'all, I'm gonna do something because I'm feeling really straight right now. After I finish this crab leg. It's alright, I'll clean it up. I was just watching KC Connection, and she had king crab. It's king crab legs. I was just like, yo, I want some king crab. And it was just like, oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm not gonna eat too many. This is my last day on me because I'm already getting full. Excuse me. Oh. Yeah. I got the itis. I'm working on it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? You already know I'm pretty ash, and I'm gonna keep giving it to you. Not like that. Get your minds off the gutter.